Welcome to Jazzedge. I want to just quickly walk you through how to get started on the site. First of all, there are more support videos right in here. So if you just click on these support videos, you'll get other support videos. And if at any point you need help, just click over here where it says Get Help, and you can submit a support email and we will be happy to help you. All right, so the best way to get started is to simply click on Courses or Browse Courses right here. Then once you get into the courses page, I want to direct your attention to the top here. Right? So on the left, this is different tracks that you can take. So if you're interested in theory or improvisation or blues, jazz, right, you could choose your track and it's going to filter out the lessons from there. You can also choose your level. If you're a beginner, okay, or if you're intermediate, advanced, all right, and then you can also search for courses right in here. So if you want to search for something like, maybe I'm interested in rock, okay, so let me do a search for rock, and then anything with rock comes up. At the top left here, if you click on this little arrow here, this is going to take you back to the main jazzedge.com homepage. What you probably want to do is click on this hamburger menu here, the three lines, click back on dashboard, or this is also where you can go into your different areas of the site. So your plan, your notes, favorites, learning paths, how much AI usage you're using, okay? All right, so now once you get into a course, right, let's go into this piano accompaniment essentials. You're going to see on the left-hand side, you're going to see the course overview, right? Just a very simple tab here. And then this is where you're going to download your lesson resources right here. Just click on download lesson resources. You can see it downloaded, and then you can go ahead and extract that zip file. Then simply come down here and click on start or on the lesson title to start any of these lessons. Now, once you're in here, you see on the left-hand side, you have all of your different chapters. So you can choose any of these different chapters. You can also hide that if you want to, or expand it. Go ahead and play the video. And then when you're playing the video, I'm going to also have a support video on how to utilize this video player. So be sure to take a look at that. There will also be support videos on favorites and plans, right? If you want to take notes, just click on Open Notes. You can take your note right there. Okay, this is my note, right? Save your note. And then the next time that you come here, you can open up your note, and then you're going to have your note right there. And then also on your main dashboard, you can also get to your notes. This right down here is the AI system. I'm going to do a whole deep dive on this system in a separate video, so be sure to take a look at the AI deep dive video, right? Because this is where the heart of the program is. All right, so that's a simple way of getting started. Once you're done with a particular lesson, just click up here where it says complete and continue. That will now take you on to the next chapter, and then you'll also be able to see how much you've completed. If you go back to courses, okay, and this was the accompaniment course, right? So let's just go down right here. Okay, so you can see this was the Piano Accompaniment Essentials mini course, right? You can see now I've done 17%. So it's a great way, an easy way of being able to see what you've completed and what is left to do.